China. She was like, you come visit me in Thailand. This wasn't for everybody.
I'm gonna argue with that.
Just get here. So we saw him right before he was about to leave from New York, from their friends from Mexico, actually. So he lives in Spain. Yeah. So we saw him before and he had on the show. Yes, for like they're flying from LA. Like, no.